Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Okay, so let's start. Why we study science grade 1? Because the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Please grade 1 follow our online class rules. Be prepared on the time. Close your camera, close your mic, and no one write on the chat, okay? Today, inshallah, we have a quick revise on chapter 4. On chapter 4, we have two lessons. Lesson number 1, it is about land habitat. It is about land habitat. So let's start. What about the land habitat, or what are the different kind of the land habitat? We have number 1, grassland and forest. Yes, but now I want all of you close your mic and just listen to me, okay? So, grassland and forest. Grassland and forest. What about the grassland? It is a dry place with a lot of grass. With a lot of grass. So it is called grassland with a lot of grass, and it is called grassland. Which animals can live in the grassland habitat? Like this prairie dog, giraffe, and zebra. So prairie dog, giraffe, and zebra. And what about the adaptation? Adaptation is the body part or behavior that helps an animal to survive. I tell you now, close your mic, okay? Close your mic.
1 minute.
Yes, Ranim, close your mic and listen to me. So what about the adaptation? It is a body part. It is a body part or behavior that helps an animal to survive. Yes, Ranim, what?
We use the science. What are the?
No. We will use the worksheet, but wait, okay? So what are the adaptations in the wood in the grassland habitat? Number 1, look at this prairie dog. It can hide under the grass. And what about the zebra? The zebra has a flat teeth. This flat teeth help it to eat the grass. And what about the giraffe? The giraffe has a long neck. This neck help it to eat the or to survive in their habitat. Okay? And what about with the forest? Forest, it is a place where there are many tall trees. What about the forest? It is a place where there are many tall trees. Why the trees are tall in the forest? To get a lot of sunlight. Which animals can live in the forest habitat? Like the raccoons, deer, and woodpecker. Raccoons, deer, and woodpecker. Grade 1. I tell you now, all of you close your mic. Just listen to me. If I finish, I will ask you. So which animals live in the forest habitat? Raccoons, deer, and woodpecker. And what about the adaptation in the forest? The deer has good hearing. Help it to stay safe. And these animals raccoons has a sharp claws to look here, it has a sharp claws, and the woodpecker has long and sharp beaks, help it to tap the trees. So why is a forest is a good place for animals to live? Some animals can use these forest trees for food, and other animals can live in the trees. This is about lesson number 1, land habitat. What about lesson number 2 in this chapter? It is about water habitat. Okay, what are the kind of the water habitat? Number 1, lake, and number 2, oceans. I tell you, close your mouth. Lake and oceans. What about the lake? Lake, it is a body of water habitat or body of fresh water. But what about the fresh water? Fresh water has little or no salt on it. Fresh water has little or no salt on it. So the lake, it is a body of water habitat. It is a body of fresh water that has land all around it. Which animals can live in the lake? Like the fish. The fish live in the lake. And other animals like the ducks can live in the lake, but live some of the time. What about the second kind, the ocean? The ocean is a body of salty water, that is very large and deep. So it is a body of salty water that is very large and deep. Which animals that live in the ocean? Maybe like the sea lions, fish, whale, sea lion. So fish, whale, or many large fish and other small fish live in the animals. So the fish and also many mammals, and plants can live in the oceans. Many mammals, fish, and plants can live in the ocean. How do plants and animals need each other to survive in the oceans? The animals need the plant. The animals eat the plant. The animals or the large animals need the small animals because they can eat it. The large fish can eat the small fish. And what about the lake? How do plants help the animals live in the lake? The animals also can use the plants for shelter or can use the plants for food. Okay, this is, I think, everything about this lesson. So now let's answer the worksheet together. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, match from column A to the matched answer from column B. Okay, Nagam. Yes, Nagam.
Teacher.
Yes, Nagam. Water habitat number 1. It is a water habitat, has land all around it. It is the lake or ocean?
Ocean.
Ocean. Land. Water habitat has land all around it. It is the ocean? Ocean or lake?
Lake.
Yes, it is the lake. Which pictures from here for the lake? Number 1 or number 2? Water habitat has land all around it. Listen to me, Nagam. Water habitat has land all around it. So 1 or 2, Nagam? Pulud, close your mouth, please. Yes, Nagam?
2.
Yes, it is number 2. Thank you so much, Nagam. Okay, focus with me, Nagam. Yes, Maya? Have a salty water. Have a salty water. It is the salty water. It is the lake or ocean?
Lake.
The lake has salty water or ocean?
Ocean.
Yes, oceans. Which pictures here for the ocean?
Number 2.
1 or 2?
2.
2, but 2 is the water habitat has land all around it. It is the ocean or lake?
1.
So number 1. Thank you, Maya. Amazing, Maya. Yes, Munira? Is the habitat has a lot of grass, Munira? Is the habitat has a lot of grass? So it is the grassland or forest?
Grassland.
Yes, which pictures? Here for the grassland. 3 or 4?
3.
Yes, number 3. Amazing, Munira. Thank you so much.
See any picture?
No, the picture is clear. Check your connection. Yes, Raneem? Raneem? Yes, number 4, Raneem. Habitat has a lot of trees. Habitat has a lot of trees. So it is the forest or grassland habitat?
Forest.
Yes, the forest. Which one from here for the forest? Number 3 or number 4?
4.
Yes, number 4. Amazing, Granny. Thank you so much, grade 1. Okay, now question number 2. We can read from the following statements and then write T for the correct statement or F for the wrong statement. Okay, number 1. Where are you, Kenda?
Here
Yes.
I am.
Okay, Kenda, number 1, Kenda. A habitat is the place where an animal lives. It is true or false, Kenda?
True.
Yes, it is true. Amazing. Thank you so much, Kenda. Super girl. Yes, Larine? Larine? Yes, Larine. Raneem, close your mic, Ranim. Yes, yes, Larry. Look here, Ranim, number 2. A forest is Ranim, the last warning for you, Ranim. I will kick you if you open your mic again. Yes, Karine, a forest is a land habitat, has a lot of grass. Lot of grass in the forest. It is true or false?
False.
But the lot of grass are in the grass.
False.
Yes, you are super. Yes, it is false. In the grassland. Amazing. Thank you so much, Larry. So the forest or the grass, we can see the grassland habitat is a land habitat has a lot of grass now. It is true. Yes, Noor and Musa. Yes, Rani. What do you want, Rani?
Yes, teacher. True is T and false is F.
Yes, Rani.
Teacher, right?
Yes, Noor. No, I will not write. If we finish, you can write by yourself and I will send it to you. But now just focus with me. Yes, Noura?
Yes, teacher.
So, Noura, number 3. An adaptation is a body feature or behavior that helps an animal to stay alive or to survive. Is true or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. Amazing, Noura. Thank you so much, Noura. Yes, Fatima, Jum'a?
But teacher, I don't have this 2 pages. I have another.
Yes, Fatima. You don't have this page? Or who is saying?
No, I have
yes.
it.
Yes. Okay. Wait. Yes, Lean, you don't have this paper. You can print it. Yes, Lean? Tell your mother to print it. Thank you, Lean. Yes, Fatima? Fatima? Yes, Fatima. A lake is a body of salty water. True or false? But the lake is a body of
fresh water and the ocean salty water.
Yes, amazing. You are amazing. Thank you so much, Fatima. Yes, Ala. Number 5, Ala. Ala. Yes, Hanin Subiani.
Teacher.
Yes, Hanin. An ocean is a body of salty water.
False.
Listen to me, Hanin. An ocean is a body of salty water. True or false?
Yes. True.
True or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. Amazing. Thank you so much, Hanin. Yes, Afir.
Yes.
Yes, Afir. Afir, fresh water has little or no salt. It is true or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. Thank you so much, Afir. Okay. Jana Salim?
Yes.
Yes, Jana. Number 7, some trees grow tall in the forest to help them get a lot of water. They are grow tall to help them get a lot of water. True or false? Jana?
Wrong.
But to get a lot of what? To get a lot of water or sunlight?
What?
Water or sunlight? Sunlight. Yes, Jana. Thank you so much, Jana. Amazing. Yes, Lin Walid? A giraffe's long tail is an adaptation that helps it to stay safe. Lin Walid? Where are you?
Yes, teacher.
Number 8, Lin, a giraffe.
I don't know. I have a problem and I come.
Okay, Tala, welcome. Yes, Lin, a giraffe's. Listen to Lin, grade 1. Lin, a giraffe's long tail is an adaptation that helps it to stay safe. It is true or false?
False.
But the giraffe has long
neck.
Yes, the giraffe. Long neck is an adaptation. Amazing, Lean. Super girl. Thank you so much, Lean. Yes, Judy?
Thank you. I love you.
I love you more. Yes,
Yeah.
Judy? So, Judy, question number 3. You can choose the correct answer from the following. Number 1. What does a giraffe have to help it reach its food? So the giraffe has a long tail or short tail or long neck?
Long neck.
Yes, it has a long neck. Thank you so much. Amazing, Jude.
Sheep.
Jude عارف?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes,
Jude.
teacher.
Noor Al Musa, please close your mic. Okay. Yes, Jude. Many.
You, teacher.
Yes, listen to me, Jude عارف. Many what and fish live in the oceans. Munira, close your mic, Munira. Yes, Jude عارف. Many what and fish, many mammals and fish live in the ocean. Super girl. Thank you so much, Jana. Yes, Noura Dosari.
Yes, teacher. What?
Noura,
When
yes, Noura. When I ask you, Noura, many birds and fish live in the oceans. It is true or false? Many birds and fish live in the oceans.
false.
But I must say many what? Birds or mammals?
Mammals.
Yes, I can say many mammals. Amazing, Noura. Thank you so much, Noura. Yes, Imar. Ala, close your mic, Ala.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Imar. Question number 3, Imar. Which animals live in the grassland habitat, Imar? Which animals live in the grassland? Prairie dog or deer or raccoons? Which live in the grassland?
Raccoons.
The raccoons live in the grassland. Imar, are you sure?
Prairie dog.
Yes, this prairie dog. Thank you so much. Excellent, Imar. Amazing. Yes, Hur.
Yes, teacher.
Hur number 4. A lake is a body of fresh or salty water or semi-salty water. Has land all around it. Lake is a body of fresh, salty or semi-salty water.
Lake.
Yes, I ask you about the lake. Lake is a body of fresh or salty or semi-salty water.
Semi-salty water.
Are you sure?
No.
So fresh or salty?
Salty.
Salty, the lake is a body of salty water.
Fresh water.
Yes, the lake is a body of fresh water. Thank you, Hur, and focus with me, Hur. Okay, number 5. Lin Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Lin Ahmed. Which animals live in the ocean? The whale or duck or zebra?
Wow.
Yes, the whale live in the ocean. Thank you so much, Lin.
I love you.
Super girl, I love you more. Yes, Talia.
Teacher.
Yes, Talia. Okay, Talia, number 6. Which animals live in the lake, Talia? Which animals live in the lake? The whale or
Yes.
or duck?
The shark.
In the lake, in the lake. Lake, whale or shark or duck?
Duck.
Yes, the duck. Thank you so much, Talia. Super girl, the duck. Okay. Jana, close your mic, Jana.
ما سمعتها زين. The shark is the.
Close your mic, Ranim. Okay. Oh, again. Okay. Uh,
Teacher, me, I don't answer.
What's your name?
Me, Sarah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Tell me, Sarah, number one here. A habitat is the place where an animal lives. True or false?
True.
Yes, Sarah. Amazing. Thank you so much, Sarah. Yes, Rafa?
Teacher.
Grade 1, close your mic. Ranim, what happened, Ranim? The last warning for you, Ranim. If you open your mic again, I will kick you. Yes, who is answer?
Rafa.
Yes, Rafa. Okay, Rafa, I'm sorry. Yes, Rafa. Number 2, Rafa here. A forest is a land habitat, has a lot of grass. True or false, Rafa? Rafa?
True.
Rafa, focus. Forest is a land habitat, has a lot of grass.
False, no true.
Yes, but which one has a lot of grass? The forest or grassland?
Grassland.
Yes, amazing, Rafa. Thank you so much, Rafa. Yes, Hanin Al-Ghamzi?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Hanin. Number 3, Hanin. An adaptation is a body feature or behavior that helps an animal to stay alive. Is true or false?
True.
Yes, true, Hanin. Thank you so much, Hanin. Amazing. Okay, Tala. Tala?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Tala. A lake is a body of salty water, Tala. True or false?
False.
But a lake is a body of salty or fresh water?
Fresh.
Yes, fresh water. Thank you so much, Tala. Super girl, Tala. Okay, Khulud. Yes, Khulud. Khulud.
Yeah.
Yes, Khulud. Number 5, Khulud. An ocean is a body of salty water. True or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. Amazing. Thank you so much. Lara.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Lara. Fresh water has little or no salt. True or false?
True.
Yes, true. Why false? The fresh water has little or no salt. Yes, it is true. Thank you so much, Lara. Okay. Yes, Hala. Hala?
False. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Hala. Some trees grow tall in the forest to help them get a lot of water, Hala. Is it true or false?
What?
Some trees grow tall in the forest to help them get a lot of water. Is true or false? Some trees grow tall. Is true?
True.
Tall. To get a lot of water.
False.
But to get a lot of what, Hala? A lot of. Yes, but to get a lot of. Yes, Hala. To get a lot of sunlight. To get a lot of. Yes, Hala. To get a lot of.
Teacher.
To get a lot of. Hala.
Yes.
Repeat after me. To get a lot of sunlight. To get a lot of.
Sunlight.
One more time. So the forest has a lot of. Yes, the trees grow tall to help them get a lot of sunlight. To get a lot of Sunlight.
Sunlight.
So this question, Hala, it is true or false? Some trees grow tall in the forest. Yes, it is false. Thank you so much. Yes, Ala? Ala? Where are you, Ala? Ala? So I don't know what's wrong with you, Ala. Okay. Yes, Hoor.
Yes, teacher, me too.
Yes, Hoor. A giraffe's long tail is an adaptation that helps it stay safe. Is it true or false?
What?
A giraffe's long tail. The long tail in the giraffe is an adaptation that helps it stay safe. It is true or false?
True.
The giraffe has a long tail or long neck, Hoor?
Long neck.
Raneem,
Long neck.
I tell you, it is the last warning for you. Yes, Hoor? Long neck. Long?
Neck.
Yes, long neck. So it is true or false? Giraffe's long tail is an adaptation that helps it stay safe. True or false?
True.
Long tail? In this question, I tell you, I ask you, it is a long tail. It is correct? Long tail or long neck?
Long neck.
So here, it is true or false?
False.
Yes, it is false. Thank you so much, Hoor. Okay, Nagam.
You're welcome.
Nagam? Nagam. Yes, Nagam. What does a giraffe have to help it reach its food? The giraffe has a long tail or short tail or long neck?
Long neck.
Yes, the giraffe has a long neck. Thank you so much. Nagam. Okay. Yes, Hanin الصبياني. Hanin الصبياني. Yes, Hanin. Many what and fish live in the oceans? Many birds or many mammals or many deer? Live
Fish.
in the oceans.
Mammal.
Yes, many mammals. Thank you so much. Excellent, Hanin. Many mammals. Yes, Hanin الغامدي. Hanin الغامدي. Yes, Hanin. Which animals live in the grassland habitat, Hanin? The deer or raccoons or prairie dog?
The raccoon.
The raccoons live in the grassland or live in the forest?
Living in the forest.
Yes, live in the forest. But so which live in the grassland? Prairie dog or deer? Yes, Hanin, which one? Prairie dog or deer?
Prairie dog.
Yes, it is the prairie dog. Thank you so much, Hanin. Amazing. Yes, Rafa? Rafa?
Teacher, today you don't test me.
Ranim, close your mic. You answer. When the period starts.
Teacher.
Yes, Rafa. So look here, Rafa. A lake is a body of water that has land all around it. Lake is a body of fresh water or salty water?
Salty.
Lake, not the ocean. Lake is a body of fresh or salty?
Fresh.
Yes, is a body of fresh water. Thank you so much. Yes, Jude, عارف?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jude. Okay. Which animals live in the ocean, Jude? Whale or duck or zebra live in the ocean?
Well,
Yes, the whale. Amazing, Jude. Thank you so much. Yes. Talia. Talia.
yes, teacher.
Which animals live in the lake? Whale or shark or duck?
Duck.
Yes, Talia. Amazing. Thank you so much. Duck. Okay. Okay. Yes, Larine. Larine.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Larine. Look,
Yes,
Larine,
teacher.
what habitat has land all around it? It is the lake or ocean?
Ocean.
Listen to me, Larine. Water habitat?
Lake.
Yes, it is the lake. Where is the picture for the lake? Number 1 or number 2? Water habitat has land all around it. Yes?
Number 2.
Yes, number 2. Thank you so much, Larine. Amazing. Yes, Judy? Judy?
Yes.
Judy, it is a body of deep fresh water. Sorry, deep and very large body of salty water and deep water. It is the ocean or lake.
Ocean.
Yes, it is the ocean. So where is the picture for the ocean? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 1.
Yes, number 1. Thank you so much, Judy. Okay. Yes, Tala. Tala. Habitat has a lot of grass. Habitat has a lot of grass.
What did you say?
Listen to me, Tala. Habitat has a lot of grass. It is the grassland or forest.
Forest.
Tala. Habitat has a lot of grass. Lot of grass. So it is the grassland or forest.
The grassland.
Yes, because it has a lot of grass. Lot of grass, so grassland. Lot of grass, so it is called the grassland. Where is the picture for the grassland, Tala? Number 3 or number 4?
Number 3. 4.
Yes, 3 or 4?
3.
Yes, number 3. Thank you, Tala. Thank you so much. Yes, Maya. Maya?
Yes,
So, Maya,
teacher.
habitat has a lot of trees. It is the forest or the grassland? Habitat has a lot of trees. Yes, it is the forest. Number 3 or number 4, the forest?
The forest is number
3 or 4, quickly.
number
Yes, has a lot of trees. Trees. So number 3 has a trees or number 4?
number 3.
Tala, Maya has a lot of trees. Trees. Where are the trees here? Number 3 or number 4?
Number 4.
Yes, number 4. Thank you so much. Yes, Munira. Munira, the ocean has fresh water or salty water, Munira? Okay, Lin Walid.
Yes, teacher.
Lin, the ocean has a fresh water or salty water?
Salty water.
Amazing, Lin. Thank you so much. But Lin Ahmed, the lake is a water habitat, has what all around it, Lin Ahmed?
Yes, teacher.
But the lake is a water habitat, has what all around it?
Number what?
No, it's not here. I ask you. Lin, the lake is a water habitat, has what all around it?
Number 2.
No. Listen to me. Not here. I ask you a question. The lake, Lin, the lake is a water habitat, has what all around it?
Fresh water.
Has what? Yes, this water has what all around it? Has land. Has?
Land.
Yes, thank you, Lin. Has land. Ala, now can you open your mic, Ala? Ala, can you open your mic now? Try to open it. Okay, Kinda. Kinda, habitat has a lot of grass, Kinda. Yes, Kinda habitat has a lot of grass. It is the
Habitat what?
has a lot of grass. It is the grassland or forest.
Grassland.
Yes, amazing. Thank you, Kinda. Noor Al Musa habitat has a lot of trees. It is the forest or grassland.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Noor. Habitat has a lot of trees. This is the forest or the grassland.
Forest.
Yes, amazing. Yes, Fatima Jum'a.
Yes, I am Fatima Jum'a.
Yes, Fatima. Which animals live in the lake, Fatima?
Live in the lake.
Yes, in the lake. Duck or whale?
Duck.
Amazing, Fatima. Okay. Yes, Noura Dosari. Which animals live in the ocean?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, which animals live in the ocean, Noura? Duck or whale?
Whale.
Whale. Thank you so much, grade 1. So my bit is finished. Now please leave the meeting. Thank you so much.
Teacher, bye.
Bye.
Bye. I love you. Now I want to live. I love you. I love you, teacher. Bye, teacher.